just spins. She spins. Upshifting by itself. Oh, we're still sideways. What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to Living Life Fast. Today is the first drive in my new Dodge Hellcat. I know a load of you are waiting for this video. So if you're new to the channel, or maybe you ain't tuned into the channel in a while, highly recommend checking out the reveal video. Oh my God, I'm going through this tiny gap. Guys, this car's crazy. UK roads, it's massive. But yeah, if you haven't checked out the reveal video, highly recommend checking it out. We shot an amazing cinematic. A company called Wave came down, and yeah, it was almost like a mini film. We also went over the full spec in a little bit more detail. Today's just gonna be a first drive video, yeah? I'll obviously go over a little bit of detail. Anyway, we're gonna go for a first drive and I'm gonna try my hardest to break down what this car's like to drive on a UK road. So as always, I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in a sec. Before we get into it, please subscribe to my channel and make sure bell notifications are set to all so you're notified the second I release a video. First thing you guys are probably noticing is, what is this? Check entire surroundings. Come on, bruh. Man's got this. Ambulance come in. It's going off it today, people. It's going off it because Ricky's on the road in a Dodge Hellcat. Everybody looks at this car. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm noticing more older people staring at the car. But you know what, first thing you have to do when you buy a Dodge Hellcat, especially in the UK, you gotta go traction off. This is how we do it, people. SRT mode, custom, and then we're gonna go traction off. Oh, you gotta stop to turn traction off. Yeah, Dodge Hellcat, what do I say? Let's just put my foot down. We'll put it in manual mode. Actually, no, we won't go manual mode. We'll just go flat. Oh. Yeah, it's been a while, people. It's been a while. Quick little disclaimer. We are not running the P0 Pirelli tyres that come from factory. If you did see the reveal video, you'll notice that I smoked, burnt them tyres clean out, and we replaced them with a set of cheaper tyres because I thought I was going to burn them out again, but I haven't actually burned them out. I do want to get a set of Michelin Pilot Sport 4S on, but these tyres right now, they are very, very slippery. It feels like I'm driving in clouds, like it's really bouncy and cushiony, but there's just no grip. It's very, very dangerous on the motorway. But we're going to go second. Yes! Hey, Dodge Hellcat, I'm telling you. It runs 707 bhp. It's got a 6.2 litre. Look, everybody stares. Look, this guy, the lights are green. He's looking at me. The reason he didn't go at the green light then, he was waiting for permission from me. Genuinely. He was like, am I alright to go? Because the front of this car, it looks evil. It's like you're being held hostage, like at the lights. Okay, let's go second gear. And you probably notice I'm driving this like a bus. The wheel is a little bit big. I'm not sure if it's because I'm on the left-hand side of the road. Sorry, left-hand side of the road. Left is a left-hand drive car. I've always had a bit of a nightmare with left-hand drive cars. Let's come to a halt. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do a review and a natural, you know, first impressions. It's difficult trying to be Jeremy Clarkson with a bit of Chris Harris and a bit of Ricky. Traction off. So guys, this car's got loads of different driving settings. So you've got SRT button here, and when you press it, you get a track, sport, custom, and default. So I've actually got it in custom right now. You can select your power option, so you can have it in 700 plus mode or 500 brake mode. So obviously it's 707 from factory. Transmission you can have in track, sport, or street. Paddles on, off. Traction, track, sport, or street. And suspension, track, sport, street. Sorry guys, I'm just waffling right now. But we've got suspension in street, and we've got everything just hardcore, yeah? So we're just gonna go flat, because it's what we do around here, yeah? It's been a while, yeah? I'm not gonna lie, I curbed the wheel yesterday because I've not driven this car for a week, but let's do this. Oh shit, okay. Yeah, like that. Into third. No, is that fourth? Okay, oh, whoa. Yes, that was fifth. Yeah, it's an absolute monster. So what I'm noticing is I'm manually shifting and it's automatically changing the gears. So that's because I haven't got the gear slider to the left. 100%, there's nothing like this. It's the most drama I've ever experienced in a car. You just hear that supercharger whine dominating the cabin. And I am just trying my hardest to stay on the left side of this road. So what's happening, because it's left-hand drive, I don't know if it's like my body's like off-center almost. If I stop concentrating, I veer into the right lane. Not into the right lane, over the white line. So, I don't know, maybe it's just me. Let's get a window down because this car sounds nuts. Jeez. So steering is really nice. Like, it's nice and light. It feels nimble at the front. It's agile. It's inspiring confidence, but don't be confused. It's a very heavy car. The Camaro and the Mustangs, they do have some really good handling versions, which are good for track driving, but this is just brutal. Jesus. Wow. Wow, you're seeing this, people. Trust me. Brakes are good. Obviously, we've got... Oh, shit. Okay. We've got... Hey, that sounds sick. Hanging this car up. You see the road. Oh my god. What an animal. Guys, it sounds like hell. It looks like hell. That's why they called it the Hellcat. 707 bhp, man. 0 to 60 they claim 3.5 seconds. It's got to be a 200 miles per hour top speed. Quarter mile, 11.5. I doubt you're going to get those times without a decent set of tyres, maybe even a set of drag wheels. You probably need to achieve those times. Look, it's rear wheel drive, it's 2 tons, 650 foot-pounds of torque. It spins up immediately. We do have crappy tyres on. Look, flat foot. See, look, just... Man, I don't know if you lot are catching that supercharger whine, but... You know what, this is my perfect recipe of a car. Rear wheel drive, loads of power, a light steering wheel. So I think because it's lighter, it's not as intimidating. Like if you drive an F80 M3, I feel you've got to be a bit more of an experienced driver to hang that car on the rear. Where this car's got an overwhelming amount of power, it effortlessly spins, so it's not snapping left to right. So car's finished in crazy plum purple. This is definitely one of my favourite colours, probably because my dad had an E36 M3. Finished in techno violet, was it called? Dad, correct me if I'm wrong. Purple's definitely one of my top 3 favourite colours. It just spins, look. Just spins, she spins. Upshifting by itself. Oh, we're still sideways. Fucking this car is something else, man. It's so easy to slide, like, no way it's sideways sit jumping in this. No, see it if you're watching. Throttle response is, it's immediate, it's instant. It's not just an on and off switch. You know, you can modulate the throttle. And I do actually want to take this car on track, as long as it's not too loud. Yeah, that's... Nah, we're not getting on track with that, are we, really? Genuinely, I think this is better on fuel than the GTR and the M5. The M5 drinks, simple, it drinks. Don't lie, don't go up and down and up. It just drinks. That car is a drinker. 4.4 litre V8 twin turbo. Put it back in manual. Yes, boy. It spins and then it grips and just throws forward. But no, you can really take this car. You can take this round corners. 100% you can take this round corners. You know what? The traction control is really good on this car. It will save you. Do not, guys, if you haven't driven many rear wheel drive cars, do not turn the traction control on this car off. There's a tiny bit of movement at the front, almost. Oh, brakes are not too bad. That was a car wow test. Oh, look, it's spinning. It's spinning in reverse. And traction's on. What's that all about? I have noticed there's a bit of play in the wheel. Like, if you look, it's not really going with the car. Like, it is very good, don't get me wrong, it's nimble and look, but there's just a bit of a delay. Like, if you try to be a fucking ninja, it won't have it. But let's just stop because we're on a really nice straight right now. To launch, press brake and quickly apply throttle. Oh yes! We're launching! Yeah. Man, it's such a big car, it just wafts around like this, man. It's literally like I'm on a sofa. It don't feel cheap in here. Obviously it's brand new, so everything's kind of fresh. Only 2,700 miles I've done in this car so far. It's a nice place to be. You know, the windscreen slides forward, the roof's nice and low. But yeah, we get these black leather SRT seats. They're heated and they're air cooled. So yes, guys, we've got aircon seats. What are you talking about? We ain't even got that in the M5. We've also got 8-speed ZF box, similar one you'll find in my M5. You also get this long ass bonnet. I'm about to do something very crazy right now. Very, very crazy. This is not for the faint-hearted. I'm about to go here, the LLF Top Gear test track in the Hellcat. This is not safe, people. This is not safe. We'll make it a bit worse. Let's go traction off. We've got to go traction off, haven't we? Into fourth, look still? Nah, gripped in fourth there. Yeah, boy. And you know what, as soon as you hit the red line, the speedo flashes red. Because I'm left-hand drive, I can get closer to this curb. Although it's a lot wider. Can you hear it? Oh, no, this is the worst bit, people. We're just gonna have to drive over, whatever. You know what, the gear shifts are so fast. It feels DCT fast. I would say it does feel a little bit faster than the M5 box. And in normal auto mode, it's pretty efficient as well. It doesn't hold out gears unnecessarily long. We are in manual mode right now. We got air conditioning. I don't know what else to say, guys. Let's go! Get into third. Oh, shit! If you're watching in the UK, give me a shout, man, because I want to get this to like 1,000 brake, definitely. The aim isn't to have the quickest car. Look at it moving left to right. Wow, yeah, tyres are dangerous, people, trust me. Please listen to me, do not buy cheap tyres. I'm sure that's why this car is swaying left to right. Let's go straight. Yeah, man. Doing some really unpredictable movements, like it's almost doing what front wheel drive cars do when you've got a lot of power. It just snaps from left to right, but it's doing it on the rear. The steering wheel's not following where the rear wheels are going. Very weird then. It's almost like the diff didn't lock up then. Wow, what a savage this car is. I love hearing that tyre screech. Man, I'm praying you guys can hear that supercharger whine as well, because it is really dominating this cabin. Let's spin it there, boy. Into third, all the way through. We're going all the way. Yes, we are. Trust me, anyone that likes rear-wheel drive cars, you'll love this car to death. It's not doing anything unpredictable. Sorry, I've said that word a few times now, but it really is pretty easy to drive. Like, as in, it's easy to control the rear end. But this car isn't trying to be a circuit racer, you know? It knows its goal. Its goal is to just go fast in a straight line, and that is it. So yeah, I think I am gonna end it there in a minute. Yes, we will. These cars have apparently got cooling problems. I've heard these cars can take 1,000 bhp on the stock block. Gearbox obviously is going to be hopefully okay. There's a few clips on the internet of some of these Americans blowing up the engines, blowing up the gearboxes. But please, we need a master in this engine to come along and school me with this car. Come, let's do this. And just so you know, I have raced this against my GTR. That video will be coming up. I don't know if it's going to be the next video, but it will be coming up obviously after this video. So I will end the video there. As always, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.